In college, I remember an impromptu midnight trip up the coast with my newly found dorm friends for a beach bonfire followed by hot tubbing. My youth, when release gives way to myriad possibility. That youthful spirit of adventure infuses the 2018 Toyota CHR, a mini SUV sporting a bold design that sets itself apart from the more practical considerations of its stablemates. With the CHR's risky design, Toyota looks to embrace youth once again. As someone who appreciates those who stand out from the crowd, I cheered the CHR as it appeared in concept form at auto shows over the last couple of years, finally revealing its production version at last year's Los Angeles Auto Show. And then it was my turn to drive this punky little car during a Toyota-sponsored trip to Austin, Texas' quirkiest city. The CHR may look like the automotive equivalent of gauged earlobes, but the dashboard electronics feel a little more like Grandpa's clock radio. Only one USB port graces the cabin, and the 7-inch touchscreen in the dashboard merely shows digital audio and a hands-free phone interface. The CHR lacks navigation, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The 6-speaker sound system offers no subwoofer nor LED ambient lighting effects, like you can get in a Kia Soul. Once behind the wheel, however, I forgot my disappointment in the CHR's cabin electronics. True to my expectations for the platform, the CHR felt solid, with engine, transmission, steering and suspension all working in harmony. The CHR's continuously variable transmission, CVT, metered out the 2.0-liter engine's modest power in a linear and predictable manner. Punching it created a turbine like whine, surprising considering the naturally aspirated engine. The acceleration, while not breathtaking, felt adequate for most traffic maneuvers, although I would be careful about passing on two-lane highways. The CVT, which uses bands instead of fixed gears to minutely adjust drive ratios, worked seamlessly. Although likely chosen to aid fuel economy, the result of 27 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway is only middling. Traversing the twisty roads of Texas Hill Country, I made use of the CVT's manual mode, letting me choose from its 7 virtual gears to keep the power up in the turns. Here the CHR's suspension showed its worth, delivering composed handling. The electric power steering assumed a bit more heft at greater speed, and I felt a little rotation as the car negotiated turns at speed. The Toyota CHR comes out as a 2018 model year car in 2 trims, XLE and XLE Premium. Pricing comes in at $22,500 for the former, $24,350 for the latter, with the car hitting dealers in April of this year. Given the extensive standard equipment for the CHR, don't expect to jack up the price with options.